What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Ring. I'm very hyped for this product. This is the third and final Samsung product I will be unboxing on the channel. I did not end up getting the Buds through Samsung. I ended up wanting to get them through Best Buy because I know I'm going to really need a warranty on that and readily be able to get that all taken care of so I can do it in person rather than going through Samsung. And oh, is that the Galaxy Watch Ultra? I know. This watch got me really hyped, so yeah, of course we gotta wear this because we just came back from doing that unboxing, first impression, yada yada yada. Here we go with the Galaxy Ring. Packaging. Your basic Samsung packaging. We got the ring. You can see the sensors slightly on the ring packaging itself. But there's the Galaxy Ring. Completely forgot to mention in the unboxing video for this watch, I'll probably put it in the comments below. But just to let you guys know, I'll just say it in this video too since I brought it up, but retail price for the Galaxy Watch Ultra, $650. Retail price for the ring. The ring is going to be retailing at $400. Some people think it's steep. I know. But when we think about it, rings themselves aren't the cheapest. And we do have some competitors such as Oura that creates a smart ring too. They do create different finishes of their ring. However, Samsung only makes titanium finishes for their ring. I know Oura has, I believe, 3 or 4 finishes with their rings. So there is a price difference, but I believe Oura's titanium finish on their rings are still more expensive than the Samsung ones. Don't quote me on that. But another plus you get with the Samsung one is you don't have to pay a membership to use the ring. That's big for me. I'm no one that's against memberships. I have memberships. But when I'm paying that much for a ring already out of the box, I don't want to pay no membership. Like, I should be able to use it as is. And that is coming from somebody who owned an Oura ring. The reason why I returned that Oura ring, wasn't happy with it, and I heard this guy was going to come out. So I was like, hey, I'll just wait a bit for the Galaxy Ring and see how this goes. Unboxing video isn't going to be too crazy because there was obviously no screen or anything on this guy. There will be a big review on this alongside all the other products that I've opened on the channel today. Let's take a look at that. Got a box in a box. Got that ring look to it. There we go. Opens like a ring box. That is cool. And there we go. First thing that caught my eye, this charging case. Samsung, I love you. Alright, I'm not proposing to y'all, I'm just saying this charging box is awesome. I don't have my Oura ring anymore, I did return that thing, but the Oura ring was kind of like the watch charger. Let me see if it was kind of like something like this, you know, something basic, but it was like a little raised up platform so you could just plop the ring on. That was the charger for the Oura ring. Not with Samsung, they outdid themselves here. We got an actual charging case for the ring. Set that down here. I know you guys don't care about the paperwork, but I'm gonna open the paperwork. I'm sorry, guys. Color that matches the box or the charging case. I really like that. Apple can take some notes with their MacBooks. And some other products where their charging brick just doesn't want to match up. But hey. And that's it. Set that boy to the side. My desk is a mess right now with all the boxes on there. Here we go. USB-C to USB-C for the charging case. For the ring itself, and look at that. Take a look at that case. I can now officially say I am married to Samsung. Upon notice, nice rubbery grip on the bottom of this guy. I believe that may be for the wireless charging capability of this case. Don't quote me on that. Got that Samsung logo right there. Sorry, still getting used to this camera setup. This is my first time doing these. Yeah, overall really nice looking case. I really like the clear case. We got our charging port for the USB-C. Man, case looking good, y'all. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open. Ooh, hey, y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's cool. So I believe that's the battery indicator for the ring. Lets you know what the battery is. Yeah, jeez, this case looks so nice. Samsung, you put a lot of work into this. I really like this a lot. The ring comes in multiple sizes. As expected, Samsung does have a sizing kit that I did not purchase. I went off my Oura ring size, and I'll let you guys know how true to size that is with the Oura ring. My Oura ring, I was a size 10. I got this in a size 10 as well. Let's see. how it goes. Place it on the finger here. Perfect fit. This fits almost identically to the Oura Ring in my opinion, so it fits perfectly on my hand. So if there's an Oura sizing kit that you have or at your local Best Buy or whatever, you can go out based off that too, because I know not all Best Buys at the moment have the Ring sizing kit available. They do come in multiple sizes, 5 to 13, I believe. I don't have a script or anything. I'm just going off the top of my head. But I believe 5 to 13. Don't quote me on that. I will correct myself if I'm incorrect once I am editing. But for starters, feels very comfortable. Nice titanium feel to the watch. You see all those sensors in there. Gonna need a ton of sensors. Works really nice. And the thing that Samsung explained, which was really nice, is you can pair this with the watch. So these will kind of communicate together to get more accurate readings and to conserve battery life. Samsung wasn't clear if it was going to be for the Ring or the watch. I'm assuming it's the Ring, but I'll find out once I start using it and whatnot. Really nice though. It feels really nice on the hand. Obviously not too much to show off because it is a Ring. But I'm very curious to see how accuracy and how well this is going to compete with the Oura Ring. I'm already happy, and I thought it was very funny on Samsung's keynote that they literally put $399 for the Ring without a membership. That was a nice little diss. But yeah, 7 days of battery life on a single charge. Looking really nice. Gonna be able to track your heart rate, sleep patterns, oxygen levels, stress, etc., etc. Not like we haven't seen that with the watch. So this is nice if somebody just isn't a watch person. I know some people out there aren't watch guys. I'm a big watch guy myself, if you couldn't tell from my previous unboxing. But this will be really good for that crowd, and it will attract a lot more people to look into the Samsung ecosystem. Speaking of which, you can only use this Ring on Samsung devices and potentially other Android devices. Last time I looked into it, it was only Samsung devices. Apparently now it's other Android devices in general. So I'll have to see how accurate that is upon using it in my day-to-day and try connecting it to my stock Android phones. Looking really nice. Of course, you got the water resistance. You'll be able to wear this wherever you go. Same thing with the watch. So it's going to be a really nice thing to pair with. I'm really excited to pair these together and see. I will be trying to use this solo as well to see how good of accurate readings I get based off the Ring itself. But pretty much, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pair this to the Samsung wearable app. On the Z Fold 6, we stocked up on Samsung this time around. But yeah, let me go ahead and pair up this watch, and I'll catch you guys when I'm done with that. Alright, you guys, just finished setting it up in the app. There's the Ring, and there's the watch. Very easy to access both of them. Not going to show the bottom because it's got all my information and stuff there. But yeah, very simple process. But yeah, that is going to be concluding this unboxing and first impressions. As for the watch and the Fold, I will be doing a full review coverage on the Ring after using these products for about a week so I can get my real honest review. Overall, really happy with this. Feels really nice on the hand. Let me know what you guys think about the Ring. Were you guys hyped for it? I know a lot of people were, because like I said, not a lot of people want to wear a watch all the time and would prefer a Ring. It's a really nice thing that Samsung has gotten into. Great way to build their ecosystem even more, which I'm very happy about. But yeah, of course, like I said, take a look at that. Had to go with the matte black, of course, or titanium black, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that wraps up this unboxing. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you in my next YouTube video.